my 3-part smartphone checkup. A simple, stress-free guide to keeping your device safe and your data secure. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy. The myth. The common belief, my phone says updated, so I'm completely safe from hackers. The reality. The hidden truth. Your smartphone actually relies on a fragmented update system. Missing just one piece leaves your personal data vulnerable. Don't worry if this feels confusing. They designed it this way, and we're going to untangle it together. Your smartphone has 3 moving parts. Number 1, your individual apps, the tools you use every day. Number 2, the operating system, the core brain of the phone. And number 3, the Google Play system, the silent background infrastructure. The trio of updates, what they are and what they do. The operating system brings new visual features and major monthly security patches to the phone's core. It requires manual checks and device restarts. The Google Play system pushes critical security patches silently and quickly without a massive system overhaul. It operates mostly in the background, finalized by restarts. Individual apps patches bugs and vulnerability in specific everyday programs like mobile browsers and banking apps. It's managed entirely through your app store. Why isn't there just one button? Because there isn't a single update everything button, we can't assume the phone is automatically doing all the work for us. If we spend all day digging through hidden menus, we get overwhelmed. The solution? We need a simple, foolproof routine that doesn't require a computer science degree. We don't need to understand every line of code. We just need to take control of our routine. Here's my 3-step checkup recipe. Step 1. Enable auto updates. Do this just once. Step 2. The weekly restart. Do this once a week. Step number 3. The manual settings check. Take 5 minutes once a month. Step number 1. The set and forget auto update. Go into your App Store settings. Make sure Auto Update Apps is toggled on. The benefit? This handles the heavy lifting for your individual apps automatically while you are connected to Wi-Fi. Step number 2, the weekly restart. Simply turn your phone completely off and back on once a week. The benefit? This simple action forces many of those pending, hidden operating system and system updates to finally install themselves. Think of it like giving your phone a good night's sleep. Pick a day like Sunday morning over coffee and make it a habit. Step number 3, the monthly manual check. Once a month, take just 5 minutes to dive into your device's security settings. Manually check for both operating system and play system updates. The benefit? This ensures absolutely nothing is stuck in the background, giving you total peace of mind. Take control of your updates. 1. Auto update apps once. 2. Restart the phone. Do this weekly. Step 3. Check settings. This is done monthly. Do not assume your phone is automatically doing all the work for you. With this simple 3-part routine, you'll keep your devices running smoothly and your data safe. Stay safe out there. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.